In Clearwater, Florida, where the sunshine is abundant and coastal beauty surrounds every corner, homeowners often look for ways to bring the outdoors inside while elevating the style of their living spaces. Bow windows are a perfect solution, offering a seamless blend of elegance, natural light, and functionality. Their timeless, curved design creates a focal point that enhances both the interior and exterior of your home, making them an excellent investment for Clearwater homeowners. Here's how bow windows can transform your living space and why they are a stylish and practical addition to any Clearwater home. Enhance natural light and brighten your home. Bow windows consist of 4 or more glass panels arranged in a graceful curve, allowing sunlight to enter from multiple angles. This design maximizes natural light, brightening your home and creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Benefits of increased natural light. Reduced need for artificial lighting. Sunlight streaming through bow windows illuminates your living space, reducing reliance on artificial lights and lowering energy bills. Mood enhancement. Natural light boosts mood and productivity, making your home a more enjoyable place to live. Showcase scenic views. Bow windows frame Clearwater's stunning coastal or garden views, bringing the beauty of the outdoors into your home. Bright, sunlit spaces not only feel more inviting but also create a sense of openness and tranquility. Add architectural elegance to your home. Bow windows are more than just functional. They are a stunning design element that enhances your home's aesthetic appeal. Their unique shape and expansive glass panels make them a standout feature both inside and out. Design advantages. Timeless elegance. The curved design of bow windows adds sophistication and a classic charm to your living space. Customizable styles. Choose materials, finishes, and decorative details that complement your home's architecture, whether it's modern, traditional, or coastal inspired. Exterior focal point. Bow windows create depth and dimension, adding curb appeal and making your home more visually striking. Bow windows offer a unique blend of form and function, making them a perfect addition to Clearwater homes. Create a cozy and functional nook. One of the most appealing features of bow windows is the extra space they provide. The outward curve creates a nook that can be customized to suit your lifestyle and needs. Creative uses for bow window nooks. Window seat. Add cushions and throw pillows to create a cozy reading or relaxation spot that lets you soak up the sun and enjoy the view. Dining nook. Transform the space into a charming breakfast area or intimate dining spot with a small table and chairs. Home office corner. Use the natural light and peaceful ambiance to create a functional workspace or creative retreat. The versatility of bow windows makes them a valuable and practical addition to any room. Improve energy efficiency and comfort. Clearwater's warm and sunny climate calls for windows that can regulate indoor temperatures while maintaining energy efficiency. Modern bow windows are designed with advanced features that keep your home comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient features. Low E glass. Reflects heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to filter through, reducing cooling costs and protecting your furnishings. Insulated glass panels. Double or triple pane glass minimizes heat transfer, improving insulation and comfort. Weather-tight seals. Professional installation ensures airtight seals that prevent drafts and air leaks. By enhancing energy efficiency, Bow Windows offer long-term savings and comfort for your Clearwater home. Increase home value and appeal. Investing in Bow Windows not only enhances your living space but also adds value to your home. Their combination of style, functionality, and energy efficiency makes them a desirable feature for potential buyers. Value-boosting benefits. Curb appeal. Bow Windows enhance your home's exterior, creating a lasting impression on visitors and buyers alike. Marketability. Homes with elegant, energy-efficient features like Bow Windows are more attractive to buyers, offering a strong return on investment. Timeless appeal. The classic design of Bow Windows ensures they remain a valuable asset for years to come. Bow Windows are a stylish upgrade that pays off in both comfort and resale value. Customization to fit your unique style. Bow Windows are highly customizable, allowing you to create a design that reflects your personal style and complements your home's aesthetic. Customization options. Frame materials. Choose from wood, vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum to match your home's design and withstand Clearwater's climate. Glass features. Add frosted, tinted, or decorative glass for privacy and a personalized touch. Decorative elements. Incorporate grills, mullions, or unique trims to enhance the window's visual appeal. Tailoring your Bow Windows ensures they're a perfect fit for your home and lifestyle. Conclusion. Stylish Bow Windows are an excellent way to transform your Clearwater living space by enhancing natural light, adding architectural elegance, and creating functional nooks. With their energy-efficient features and customizable designs, Bow Windows are a smart investment that improves both the aesthetics and value of your home. If you're ready to elevate your living space, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater today. They'll help you design and install Bow Windows that perfectly suit your home, ensuring years of beauty, comfort, and functionality in your sunny Florida retreat.